Selling digital products online, Stripe might let you start, but one flag can shut your account down overnight. Stripe makes it tricky. Digital products are not always banned outright, but they often fall into vague, restricted categories. That means coaches, course creators, and info products can be flagged after they are already processing. For many sellers, the first sign is frozen payouts or an unexpected account closure. Easy Pay Direct takes the guesswork out. They underwrite your account upfront so you know your digital products are approved from day one. Plus, you get features like recurring billing and transaction routing to keep your sales steady. And if you're selling higher priced courses or bundles, they even support unlimited high ticket processing, something Stripe often won't touch. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description. Check it out if you want to keep selling digital products without the risk of Stripe flogging your account. Take the next step today. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to set up a merchant account built for digital products and info creators.